Today is fun day. Yeah. Look at. She's chilling with her babies over in the corner there. This little guy got his stuff. She's having a blast over here. What you doing? Huh? She's having fun. Are you having some fun too? Yeah, you are. And this little girl's having some fun. Yeah, you having fun in theirs? And this little guy here is over there going, I don't know what to do. Priscilla. The babies are just coming out of their nest. And she likes to do that. Hi, are you having fun? I gave you a whole bunch of straw to play with today. Yep, you guys can play till your heart's content. And you, Navy. And hi, big girl. Can I get this off your eye, though? There you go. There you go. You guys can play, okay? Yeah? Izzy. It's her nickname. Yes, that's your nickname. So cute. Miss Isabella, you're so beautiful. So I thought that I was going to clean this up, give them all some fun hay stuff to hang out with. Yeah? They're so darn cute. Navy, do you having some fun? Where is Navy? Where is Navy? Where are you, Nave? Did you get stuck in there? Do you play in there? Huh? Are you playing? Oh, you're so sweet. Are you playing in there? You made a big old... Did ya? Make your little homes in there? Huh? Did you make your little home in there? Yeah, she's got it. That's funny. Maybe you're hilarious, but look how big you're getting. Yeah, you are. Look at who's feeding. This one's still feeding. Like, Mom, I don't want you. I want you to eat. I want you to eat. That's the one that's always eating. Are you gonna get up? Are you gonna get up? Are you gonna get up? You say, oh, I just don't want to get up. So cute. One's hiding back there. He's like, hi. These ones are the ones that are always up to the cage. Hi. Hi. I'll get you guys some hay, okay? Mama, I'm going to change your pee thing. We're not going to do this anymore, so we got to get that done. That is my goal. Now, the floor that I was telling you about right here, what we're going to do is we are going to use this for a couple things, but then my goal is to have like 4 to 6 rabbits that I like be in here to make like a colony type thing. That's my goal. I've always wanted a whole bunch of rabbits running around and stuff like that, so that's what I'm gonna do. But in the meantime, we're going to use this for some babies within the next while here. But we have a chewer, so we're going to have to get a little tiles that you can get that will be put on the floor, so they cannot do that because that's a no-no. And then I'll use this just for when they're running around for a while and stuff. But they are all having fun. They are all having fun with their amazing stuff that we did for the hay. We decided to do some hay. Look at you can hear them all eating and drinking, and they're all really happy bunnies. Yeah, you are. You all happy bunnies?